Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about how to manually check keywords difficulty when doing keywords research. Yeah, many of you had one way or the other dropped a comment on some of my posts on Facebook how to know if a keyword is easy to rank or hard to rank. Some of you are also asking how to determine if a keyword is good based on the keyword difficulty metrics from tools like Semrush, Moz, Ahrefs. Like I always reply, you do not actually have to go with what those tools tells you when it concerns keyword difficulty. Most of these tools, they just give you an estimate of how difficult a keyword is, but that doesn't mean that those keywords can be easy or hard to rank. Now, before we go to the practical aspect of this, there are some things you need to know. For you to manually do keyword research and check your difficulty, there are some tools or extension that you need for Chrome. First of all, you need your head. You need your head to think and be creative. This is very important. Second one, you need this extension, SEO quick extension, right? You need keywords everywhere Chrome extension. This is a wonderful tool. You don't have to miss this tool. And then you need patience. Keyword research, when it comes to looking for the difficulty or ascertaining how difficult it is to rank for that keyword, it requires you have a good amount of patience because it can be very time consuming to get those good keywords to write on. Now, let's assume you have all this in place. Some of these tools, they are free. Keyword Chrome, Keyword Everywhere has the free and paid version. The paid version comes with so many benefits, though you can still make do with the free version, but I would advise you get the prepaid version. It's not costly. I think with $10 for a year, $10 in Nigerian naira is around should I say roughly 8,005 for a year. You use it to uncover multiple keywords. You also use it to know the estimated volume, one of the most accurate keyword research tool in the market. Then this checklist for determining if a keyword is difficult to rank for. Number one is you should check the sites ranking for that keyword. When you put in your keyword on Google, for example, when you put in a keyword, in this case, when you put in a keyword, you need to ascertain the domain authority of the sites ranking. For this one, this domain authority, the domain authority is 71, as you can see, 71 DA, which means for me it's highly competitive. If I'm starting up a new website, I am not going to write on that keyword. I am not. This one, the number second page is a forum, 99 DA. The third DA is 39. So the first 20 sites, this is the keyword that I search for. Why is my iPhone story not loading? The first 10 sites on the SERP for this keyword, you check their domain authority. It means they have more link than you, they have more authority. So for me, I might not actually attack this keyword, except I'll come back to that except. Now, the second checklist we have is for every keyword. For me, when I do keyword research, I will ensure that at least one of the checklists, at least two or more forums are ranking for that keyword. Yes, two or more for it's not a must that you must follow this checklist, but this will help you to streamline your keywords and ensure that you come up with the most low competition keywords you can get. Two or more forums. So let's go to the practical aspect. For this keyword, I'm going to check the first 10 sites if I have two or more forums. Okay, I saw a forum, discussions at app work. This is a forum, user generated content, number one. Let's see if I have another forum ranking for this. This look more like a forum. I think yes, it's a forum. Number two is a forum. Yes, let's see if there's another forum. We have two forum. I say two or more forum. This looks like forum. I'm not so sure. I'm not going to open it. Looks like a forum. You should have to check two or more forums. Okay, that is for number two. And then the third one, check if you can create better content than the sites ranking already. Okay, let's assume that you got some sites with low DA ranking for your keyword, and for that same keyword, you have two or more forums ranking for that keyword. Now you have to open like 5 of those sites, their articles, and check if you can create better content than them. Assuming that your site is new or your site have an authority, maybe your site is around 2 to 30 DA. If you can create better content more than these sites, it means that you can outrank them in a minimal number of days, right? Now, this does not mean that when if you don't see a site ranking for that has two or more forums ranking for the keyword, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't go for it. Now, these are checklists. You might see, you might search for a keyword where you will see sites with low DA ranking for, but you will not see forums ranking for it. If you have authority, for example, if you have um, if your domain has something like 10 to 30 DA, you can see if you can write better content than these sites and you can outrank them, right? So this is my checklist. Now let's go over to this place. Now the SEO quick, the extension I asked you to download, it enables you to see some information. I turned mine off, but it's good. It helps you to see some information about the site. Keywords Everywhere does the same. Keywords Everywhere is the owner of SEO Quick now, so that's why I turned it off. So you can see the spam score, the domain authority, number of referring domains, total backlinks. These are the things to check. Now, if your site it has lower authority, you can't outrank these people. They have everything more than you, right? So that is for that. Then for this keyword, when I check Semrush for this keyword, why is my iPhone store not loading? It says the keyword difficulty is 15. So some people who rely on tools, they'll be like, yes, 15 is low competition, let's write on this keyword. But when you come to the SERP, you see that when you come to the SERP, you see that this keyword is not low, it's competitive based on the site that are already ranked. Okay, so you have to just keep searching for that till you get a keyword that satisfy all these some or all of these checklists, one or all of these checklists. So let's return. Now this is keyword everywhere. Keywords everywhere extension helps you uncover more keywords. So from this keyword, it gives you more related keywords of which you can see some low competition keywords that might fulfill what you're looking for. So you can just click on any of them. Let me open in the next tab. iPhone storage not loading on iOS 16. So just click, it's another keyword. You can start checking. Site forum site is ranking. So keyword everywhere gives you more more flexibility to uncover many keywords while doing your keyword research. So that is it. The difference between the free and premium, the premium you get to see trend if this is a trendy keyword. You do not want to go and write a keyword that is dead. If your keyword is not trending, it's dead. It means even if it has volume, people are not searching for it. So and the premium version gives you get to see the keyword volume, estimated volume, and CPC if necessary. Good. Now, talking about this checklist, determining seeing a keyword that has low DA site ranking. There's this other keyword that I saw here. According to Semrush here, it says it's 12 DA. So look at the keyword. Why is my iPhone charging backwards? Now, the first site ranking for this keyword has 10 DA. See, it means that if you have from even 2 DA upwards with a good content, you can outrank this site. 10 DA, 128 referring domains. Now let's scroll down. That is the first one. The second site has 45 DA. Then we have the first forum. Then the second site, this one has 23 DA, 23 DA. This one has 6 DA, ranking number 4 also. 6 DA, ranking number 4. See, this one has 13. Then second forum, we have our second forum here. We have our third forum. We had our third forum. The fifth forum, you see this is a low competition keyword. So if I get this keyword now and I write better content, I get to check this site's ranking for this. I also check this site, I read them through, and I get better content. See how optimized these contents are. They don't have FAQ. If I'm writing, I will put FAQ, put images, put videos. So I craft better content. Look at this one, put videos and images, and I craft better content than them. I will stand a better chance of ranking. Now you see how you can actually know if a keyword is difficult to rank for or not. You shouldn't 100% rely on estimated tools. You should not 100% rely on this, right? So I hope you're able to learn one or two in this video. Don't fail to subscribe, click the like button, share. All right. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial.